everyone, it's me Deepa, and today I'm going to show you guys how I wax my eyebrows. Now the first thing you want to do is try to get those little flyaways on your hairline back, those baby hair. You want to just get it all the way back. You do not want your hairline to get caught in the wax, and you do not want to yank it out because you would not look as cute as you expected when you started. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of powder on my cotton here and just put it onto my eyebrow. I already did this eyebrow, so I'm going to show you guys this one, and hopefully you can see it really needs to be done. See? Yeah, it really needs to be done. So so the next step is what the powder does. It will absorb any moisture, any oils that is on your skin, and that will help the wax adhere to your hair. So I have my wooden stick, and I'm going to just dip the tip of it into my wax. Today I'm using hard wax. You don't have to use a strip. So that's what I'm going to be using today, and it's just this much, which is just a little bit in this center. Right. So it is just this much, and I like using a little at a time. So let me see if I could look at the camera and do this. Sorry, I'm taking so long. The wax got hard on the stick. Okay. So I even have a little mirror here. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this to show you guys. Let me see if I can do it like this. So I start right here on the inner corner of my eyebrow, and I try to stay within that shape of my brow. I like an arch. This is the shape that I like, so I take my time when I do this. You know, when you're doing it on your own, it's a totally different story, so try to take your time. So I'm going to just take my time and glide. You want to just glide the stick with the wax along your brow. I don't go too close to my brows because I am afraid I take off too much of my brows. Let me see. Right. I know it doesn't look too pretty there, but when it's finished, it will look good. Okay, so the next step is you just make sure that it is nice and hard, and you're going to grab the tip of the end of your the wax, which is right here. Lift it off a little bit, and then once you have a good grip, you're going to just pull it off really quick. Ow, ow. Yeah, you could never get used to how much that hurts. So you see, eyebrows came off really nice and clean. Now I'm going to do my wooden stick in there, and from the side I'm gonna just take my time and glide alongside the shape of my eyebrow. You'll notice that I keep twisting my stick like this so that that thread that you see, it would just kind of wrap around the stick and it won't just be flying everywhere. Nice. So this is perfect. And it dries pretty easy. This is what I'm trying to avoid, getting that little string or that thread to... Okay, so I'm going to lift it off. You can use a tweezer to do this or your nail. And I'm going to just yank it really quick. Ow. Very quick. So this. Okay, so next I am going to do a little hair. If you don't do that, if you like your little unibrow, then leave it. That's fine. Yank it out. Good to go. So the next step is I like using a little bit of coconut oil on my cotton here, and I'm just going to apply it to the area. Coconut oil helps to moisturize, it helps to cleanse and it falls, so that helps to remove any excess wax that was left. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to look at the shape of my brow and see if any little hairs were left, and then I'll use my tweezer and try to remove it. Come this way. So I can see one or two along the inside here. It's less painful if you hold your skin a little bit firm and do this, but because I'm demonstrating to you guys and holding a mirror, I cannot do that. So you see the sacrifice I'm making to show you guys this. I am putting myself through pain just to show you guys how to wax your eyebrows. So I don't have a lot left. Okay. Now at this point, if you like trimming your eyebrows, you can. I don't always trim mine, but I will show you. I'll come a little closer. You can comb your brows back like this, up like this, and if it is really long, you take your scissors, glide it along, and give it a little trim. Then do the same with your other brow. You can see the length on this one. It is pretty long. Glide it. And then you comb down like this. And you do the same. Now take your time. Do not cut anywhere else but where you are seeing those longer strands, okay? Please take your time when you're doing this. Right? So there we go. My eyebrows are finished. When I'm finished, I like giving myself a little massage. So I take my fingers like this and just gently massage my eyebrows, because you know it is a little painful, and then this kind of soothes the area, moisturize the area, and it's pretty therapeutic. So yeah, just give yourself a nice little massage like this, and there you are, good to go. Eyebrows all finished. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you again for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am so excited. I am seeing new subscriptions every single day, a lot of new comments coming in, and I am so grateful and so thankful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to link down below what sort of wax you can use. If you are from Trinidad and Tobago, you can get wax from me as well. So thanks again for watching, guys. Thank you for your support, thank you for your love and your kindness. Keep being great. Thank you so much.